Shika, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. It is approved by Government of India. This website is a good website, and they will provide you some data entry to data processing project, either that should be happened work from home oriented, or you may go to office. That means back office or front office based a project they will provide you if you are selected. But what will be the criteria to be the part of Minanshika Solution Private Limited? Yes guys, today I am here for sharing the new work from home opportunities, and here you may do this type of project, this type of part-time, that means flexible job from your own home, own location, and with the help of your own PC or computer or through the mobile phone. But one thing is that you have to pass the HS candidate, and also you have some knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel, and some computer knowledge. So what is the criteria, the website review, what is the job actually here, all the things, detailed informations are discussed in this video in details. So if you are interested, don't skip this video and see this till the end. And if you like this type of content, then considering subscribe my channel and be the part of Udita's classroom, where I am sharing some information related about online money earning strategies, some work from home opportunities, and also some tips and tricks how to be a good writer in content writing field, as well as some blogger and the freelancing field. So today I am starting the new work from home opportunities, and let's get started today's episode. So now let's go and check the website and the review of this private limited company, that is Minashika Softtech Solution, and the review is 4.3, that is it's a good. When you go to check here in the website Glassdoor, that gives the actual review for this type of. So this is the actual website. So now check the service, that is our service, where data entry service, IT service, and you can say here the finance and accounting, recruitment service, BPO, LPO type service also they will provide. And this is a non-profit certificate also you can get here if you will be the part of this website, and where you can find out lots of freelancing job. You can start your career as a freelancer also. Okay, now and if you want to do job, and if you will be the part of Solution Private Limited, then you have to apply with this mail ID. Okay, also I will mention this link in my description box, go and check here. So guys, let's go and check the job notifications, that is the actually. Now come here and see what is the actual job is going here. That is Minashika company registered under the Ministry of Corporation Affairs, Government of India, and having ISO, IAF, MSME, SSL certificate and TAN and PAN card in company's name, is hiring the serious data entry operations who will be free, and they will continue their work from home. It's a flexible job and a work from home criteria. So you must have your laptop or desktop at your home. That means candidate must have their laptop, PC, either desktop, and they have the skills like MS Word, MS Office, MS Excel, and some speed and data entry actively and effectively. If you want to know how to increase your skills like data entry, captcha solving, then let me comment in my comment section below. I will make a different video about the skills, how to use skills developed. Okay, now come here that let's talk about that the project is going on here, like medical content writing, where 40k maximum 40k salary will be mentioned here, like data entry in Excel sheet, manual writing project, USA EDU service project, digital parts from filling and data processing, and the salary around 50 to 60k. Okay, so here the link is available here. Go and click the link and send your resume or any type of demo you have, then you may submit in this link, like or you can call or WhatsApp through these phone calls. Okay, so guys, now check the link where you have to apply as your resume. You will send, either you will send your resume or you have to apply here like your live demo. Okay, so it's a back office data entry job, flexible job. If you are interested, go and click the link and apply here as soon as possible. So guys, I think this video is helpful to you, and if you do not understand that what will you have to do here, then just comment in my comment section below. I will definitely try my best to answer all your doubts, and also comment in my comment section that what type of video do you want to see in future. So guys, if you like this type of content, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Be the part of Udita's classroom. So this is for today guys. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. I will meet with you in the next day with the new informative videos. Till then, take care, goodbye and thanks for watching guys.